In this session, let's explore some alternatives to the complex if calculations. Whenever we are working on an if calculation, you know that we have to deal with so many brackets and so many commas. How can we avoid this? We are going to look at the first alternative, which is the binary or Boolean calculation. What does binary mean? Binary means only two possible results, that is 1 or 0. Remember, the computer only works on the binary principle, that is true is equal to 1 and false value or false result is equal to 0. So the true result is equal to 1 value and false is equal to 0 value. So the same principle we can actually apply to completely avoid if from our calculations. Let's look at this. How to do this? Here is an if calculation, which is if condition, what if the condition is true, and what do we want or what result do we want if the condition is false. Now this is nothing but 1 and this is nothing but 0. The same result we can get by writing the condition inside a parenthesis or a closed bracket. So let me write the condition here. In our credit card case, the condition was that our purchases must be more than 5,000 rupees, then only we'll get the discount, right? So we have to write the condition here, which is equal to purchases are more than 5,000 or not. Whenever this condition will be true, the value of this bracket will be equal to 1. And whenever it will be false, the value of this bracket will be 0. When I multiply this by the discount rate or a cell that contains the discount rate, what I'm going to get is 1 multiplied by the discount rate. So I'll get the discount only in a case my purchases are exceeding 5,000 rupees. That's Boolean logic presented to you in the simplest possible way. And that's the shortest formula that you can write to actually calculate the discount.